Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
I was at the Manly International Airport where they was coming back from Florida. Yes, me a visa and passport, you're too fresh. Anyhow, as I was coming through the customs area, this very nice young man was helping me with me luggage. For me granddaughter, she a mind for her own a business pan hyping her iPad, I think me didn't know. When a woman with a wig with on cross wear and having about 6 different color, this bunks up in a me nearly lick me down a ground. When me look, me realize why she not look where she dey go. She busy a try haul this big everlasting box and 2 trolley with 1 heap of suitcase pan them. Now I start to wonder is why the Dickon she has so much things. She never hear about barrel. And the everlasting box hobby in 1 TV were bigger than me whole house. When me read it say LCD. So me ask for me backward granddaughter what that mean. She says some liquid something. I nearly dead. Me not understand what liquid I do in a TV. When me little they know say you fi keep liquid away from appliance and anything we use electricity. Anyhow, fi make a long story short, when me catch out the door, about hour before the color wig woman come out, Heavenly Father, that time in come out now the wig this left fi drop off her head, you know. Cause I no little stress, she no go through in the line with the heap of things them. Well, I nearly turn over in at the airport when I see the little skettle car we come fi carry Yaad. It look like I say somebody didn't talk to somebody. For she did need both 2 of the big old yellow bus them fi carry her luggage. You better believe say everything whole. When then don't tie on things pan the top of that the car they, it look like a beast of burden. I will never understand some people at all. One thing me have to say, me and I, and me don't talk.
When me tell you, any day you pass back again, you hear her complain about something else. But make sure you come back, you hear? For me really can't use the company else, and me and her one day, I'll not come back, you hear?
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant.